Look at this slice of cake. It is so cute. I see oranges and apples and cherries. Hi friends, it's Toy Food Fun, and we're really excited today because we get to unbox this funny cake. This is a really cool fruit cake. We're really excited to show it to you. So let's take a closer look at it. This is a fun fruit cake. I see mandarin oranges, strawberries, there's a cherry here, dollops of chocolate, looks like a pineapple piece here. Here's a happy birthday sign, some candles, a knife. Here in the corner it says cut open. New cake series. Here's a cute girl in a party dress looking at her birthday cake. And then here it says what taste of cake you like. Strawberry 1 or chocolate 1. You can make your own cake, whatever you like. That's fun. Here's the back of the box. Here's a picture of the cake. Again, it says cut open. And then a little girl making a wish. Let's open this up. This is going to be so much fun. I'm so excited. Oh, this set is so cute. Look at these birthday candles. Look at this slice of cake. It is so cute. I see oranges and apples and cherries. I'm not sure this could be cuter. So adorable. Here's a purple candle, and here's a yellow candle. Here is the cute happy birthday sign. This is what the orange slice looks like. Here is one of the strawberries up close. Here is a cherry. This is a piece of chocolate frosting. This just looks like a candy piece to me. Check out this little piece of pineapple. So adorable. And I'm not sure what this is, if it's an exotic fruit or if it's another piece of candy, but it's really cute. We've got this really cute cake and all these fun decorations, so let's make a pattern. Let's do fruit and then some candy. So let's do a piece of fruit, do orange, and then a piece of candy, then another fruit like a strawberry, and another piece of candy, then another fruit, and another piece of candy. So our pattern is fruit, candy, fruit, candy, fruit, candy. Now let's add our candles. We'll do a pattern. We'll do yellow, and then purple, and then yellow, then purple, and then yellow, and then purple. Then we'll add our happy birthday sign. And we have a really cute cake. I love it. Now let's take off this fruit and this candy. Let's take off the candles. And let's take off the happy birthday sign. Now I'm going to decorate the cake exactly how I would like it if it were my birthday. I love chocolate, so if it was my birthday, I would definitely have to have chocolate frosting. Oh, that looks so delicious. I really like strawberries, so if it were my birthday, I definitely would have to have some strawberries on my cake. I also really like cherries, so I definitely would have to have some cherries on my cake. And I really like oranges. So I would definitely add some oranges to my cake, and then I would add candles. This is the perfect cake for my birthday. What do you think? Do you like it? Tell me in the comments, how would you decorate this cake if it were for you? Would you add the candy pieces? Would you add the pineapple pieces? Let me know in the comments. Let's take off these decorations. Last, I think I want to make a crazy cake. I think I want to use every single one of these decorations that we have right here. So let's do that. Let's make a crazy cake. Let's add some oranges. Let's add pineapple, strawberries, chocolate frosting, candy pieces, cherries, more candy pieces, a happy birthday sign, purple candles, and yellow candles. This last candle doesn't fit, so I'll just put it in the middle. So friends, what do you think about my crazy birthday cake? Would you eat this? I sure would. Looks like a whole lot of fun to me. I think this slice looks the most delicious. Let's cut some. There goes our extra candle. Doesn't this look so cute and so fun? This looks like a fun slice too. Oh, I love chocolate and strawberries. This is so fun. Would you like this slice with the happy birthday sign? It's so cute. This looks delicious too. And this last slice looks like so much fun. Well friends, I really like this birthday set. I'm so excited that I was able to show it to you guys. We'll have to make more fun videos featuring this set. It's a whole lot of fun. It's really cute. And if you get the chance, I think you should check it out. As always, if you like this video, be sure to click like and subscribe, and we'll make more. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope to see you again soon.